Okay, now let's create a value scale using toned paper to see how it works. Begin by drawing this 5 square bar. Then fill in the number 5 square with the darkest value you can. For the number 1 square, we'll switch to the white charcoal and fill it with the lightest value we can. We'll leave the number 3 square blank and use the gray of the paper as the middle tone. Next, we'll fill in the number 4 square with a dark value that lies between 3 and 5. Again, if in doubt, err on the side of making this square lighter. We can always reevaluate and darken it later. Then switch back to the white charcoal and lightly fill the number 2 square. Now step back and look at your value scale and make any necessary adjustments.
By the way, if you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to check out the full Drawing Fundamentals course at mydrawingtutorials.com/basics. It's designed to teach a complete beginner all the basic skills they'll need to become successful at drawing. Okay, back to the lesson.
Next, we'll create a gradation bar below this value scale. I'll begin by matching the value of square number 5 and 4. Now fill in the gap to create a smooth transition between the two squares. Now we're going to leave the middle portion of the bar blank and use the tone of the paper as the transition between the dark and the light values. So I'll just let the dark value gradually fade out until it blends smoothly into the gray of the paper. Now we'll repeat the same process using the white charcoal pencil. Match the value of square number 1 and number 2. And then create a smooth transition between them. And once again, we'll let the white charcoal gradually fade into the gray of the paper. Next, evaluate and make any necessary adjustments. And we're all done. Comparing this value scale with the white paper version, we can see that by using the white charcoal to create the light value, we're able to get a very high contrast between the light and the dark. This is one of the benefits of tone paper drawing. It allows us to work with a much wider value range, resulting in a much more dramatic and exciting drawing. Okay, try this exercise for yourself so you can get used to this method of rendering, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, make sure to check out the full Drawing Fundamentals course at mydrawingtutorials.com/basics. You'll get tons of additional lessons and step-by-step exercises and learn things like how to draw anything accurately from observation, how to construct and draw objects from your imagination, how to shade realistically, and a whole lot more. So if you're ready to improve your drawing skills, head over to mydrawingtutorials.com/basics or click the link below.